Hey guys, it's Blizzard. So I have September's box ready to open it for you, and we'll see what this month came with. Alrighty, we have a little book as usual, and this month is a 2-year Japan crate anniversary. It came with a little scratch card, and I scratched it, and I got cool discounts on it, so I will have to show you that later. There you go. I think the coolest thing I saw in here was the September in Japan. So yeah. Alrighty. I got this little cute little toy. You know. We have these called potato chips. Like so. Here are these. I'm actually really curious about these because they look like potato chips, but not. So I guess we'll see. We have everyone cookie. It looks kind of like the outside is green tea or matcha and the inside is chocolate, so that should be yummy. Oh, I just think this is cotton candy, guys. So Japanese cotton candy. Oh look, Pikachu. Don't know what this is, but it looks like a straw, kind of. Oh, look. Looks like a key. Ooh, this time it's mango and pineapple. That should be cool. And then we have these little bean things that are strawberry. These look like crispy corn puffs of some sort. Oh, milk and coffee taste. It says on the bottom. It looks like a cereal, so. Ooh, this one. And then it looks like a Coke candy of some sort. And the DIY for the month is a little washing machine. So I guess I get to build a little washing machine. See, here's the ones in the back. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing. You know, quick and simple. That way you don't get too bored with me. Alrighty guys, so yeah, I'm just gonna have my Pepsi, enjoy this day, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Please, it'd mean a lot to me. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to my channel, I open these, I do an unboxing every month, and I do a taste test with Little Gamer Dude later in the month. Alrighty guys, catch you later. Be good, peace out.